Hello everyone, this is Priya, fellow at Alpha AI. Now I'm going to share a dashboard on Excel in a view of sales manager at your superstore. The analysis of sales and profits helps the manager to take effective business decisions. So let's get going. This is the data which I have used for building the dashboard. Each record gives the information about the product, the purchase of the product date, the city in which the sale happened, product category, name of the customer, discount provided on the product, and several other information related to the product. This is the dashboard where the analysis of sales and profits are done. From this visual, we can understand the sales and profits trends from the year 2016 to 2019. From first quarter to fourth quarter in each year, the sales are being increased, where at the fourth quarter in each year, the profit has been declined. In this graph, we can know the sales statewide. California is performing very good at sales and being the highest, and the lowest sales has occurred at North Dakota. From this graph, we can analyze sales in region wise and the average percent discount provided in each region. We can know that West is performing very good at sales, and which is quite opposite in case of the South. Even though the Central is having highest discount provided, but the sales are not as good as that of the West. In South region, to increase the sales, we can provide increase in the percentage discount to attract the customers. Here sales and profits for different categories in different regions. In all of the regions, the technology category is performing very good at sales and even at profits too. And here the sales and profits for different subcategories in segment wise. The subcategory table is performing very poor in case of profits in each segment. Let me show you clearly. I'll filter out the data. Here you can see it clearly that in each segment tables are performing very poorly in case of profits. So to handle this situation, if we provide like combo offers combining tables with either furnishings or with chairs, we can increase sales of the tables further, and which may lead to profits too. And these are the top 5 customers who are making good amount of sales. In a business, it is very important to engage the customer to buy more and more product. If we provide special coupons and good deals based on their past purchase history, we can retain the customers without their churn. These are the bottom 4 subcategories which are making very less profits. As I told before, if we provide any special discounts or deals which may increase the sales of these subcategories and lead to positive profits. Using the slicers to filter out the data, let us see for 2018 year for East region technology category. See, all sales and profits are changing according to the data which I am filtering. I hope this analysis helped you in understanding how sales and profits are doing. Thank you.